Made a fishing video in all freaking year. I'm so disappointed. Not all year. Yeah. Good job. We're out here with my kids, guys. I have a Rainbow Warrior on with a little bobber. I'm probably going to switch it to a dry fly. I just wanted to get out here quick because there's a couple of people here. This place has a good amount of brook trout, so we're going to try and catch my first freaking brook trout, guys. Let's get it. Look at that, guys. What is that? It's a brown trout, I think. That's a pretty one. Come on, baby. Yes, I gotta go show the kids. They like seeing the fish. Oh, I might keep this one anyway, because he's pretty good size. Look at that one, guys. It's a brown trout. It's a bigger one. We're gonna let him go. Actually, do I keep this one or throw him away? We're gonna eat him. If we keep him, we gotta eat him. I'll keep the next one, okay? If he's bigger than this one. Okay? Look at that one, guys. I just feel bad killing them. Holy smokes. I just ripped that guy out of the water. This is a tiny one. Tiny brown trout. Oh no, this is a... What is this? Dang, I don't even know what that is. That's just a tiny rainbow, I believe. Look at that. We are not in the good area right now, guys. Oh, we got one, guys. Let's see what it is. Ooh, it's a brown. If I catch a big enough brown, I'm probably gonna keep him and eat him. It's a brown trout, buddy. See him? Hey, we're gonna say bye to him. Then guys, we're done with the intermission. We're now fishing again. Slippery than shit out here. Dang, what the heck was that? I think I caught somebody's line almost. Guys, be careful. No, Liam. Look at this fish I caught, guys. Look at this freaking guys. He is huge. Oh my God. I can't get my line hooked. Good job, Mila. Look at this fish.
Oh, look at him. It's a huge one. It's a huge one.
Get him on line. Watch out, Mila. Watch out.
That looks like a bad.
Look at that guy. Oh my gosh.
He scared me.
Oh my
He
gosh.
scared me so badly.
Look at that fish, guys. Holy smokes.
He has a big eye.
God damn.
Can we eat him?
I don't know. Man, I feel bad, but they are a nuisance. Let's measure them.
Okay. You have a measure?
Dang, he's 13 inches.
You're on his eye.
It's pretty good. What do you think? Put him back?
Yeah, come back. No.
No, keep him?
We should eat them.
We should eat him? I just feel so bad.
Me too.
Are you sure we should eat him?
What do you think, Graham?
Liam wants to put him back. We can put him back. Okay? He's pretty. Look at him. Look at him go.
Can we catch it?
No, he's gone. Be careful, guys. You guys can slip. You guys can't be running. This one, I'll try this one. This is a Euro nymph. It's a purple one. I haven't seen a purple one. We're gonna see what it does today. Everybody and their mother. Ah, there he is. Hey guys, I got another one. Be careful, go slow.
Ooh, that was a big one.
Go slow, baby. Go slow. Good job. Look at that one, guys. Yeah. Oh, oh, there he goes. Say bye.
Yeah. I can see him.
He's over there, baby. See him in the water? He's right there.
He's dark.
Yeah, he is pretty dark.
Can I try?
I just don't know if there's gonna be any fish right here, baby. I just finished catching him. If you guys want, let's go pick up your stuff and then you can follow me, okay? And we'll catch fish together. Come on. Okay. You wanna go? There was a couple there, but I couldn't pull them over. Here, Mila. Here. Here. Yeah, I know. Here, Mila. Reel it in.
Okay.
Reel him in. Gotta reel him in. Reel him in. Hurry. He'll pop off the line. Okay, now 1, 2. Watch out, Liam. Watch out, Liam. Whew. Good job. Hey, don't touch him yet. He's got a hook in his mouth. Oh, that's a good one, Mila. Hold on, I said.
Okay. Want to hold him. He's my fish, so I can hold him.
Good job.
Look, I got a fish, Leon. Oh,
He's good. These rainbow trout are fun to catch, but I swear I'm looking for my brook trout. I want my brook trout. There's a lot of these stock trout, man. Man, I guess I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch my brook trout out here today, guys. Right on the tongue. Fuck. Well. Fuck. Huh? Caught one. Damn, this guy's a hefty ass boy. He's okay. Got one, guys. I need to get a new net, guys. There he is, right there. It's a pretty guy. Man, look at, he's been down there for a while. There he goes. Got one. No, it's a trout, buddy.
Trout.
There you go.
That can go.